start getting prepared for when we open back up. So deep cleaning the office. And I'm not just talking about wiping. I'm saying, let's get up there. Let's clean spider webs. Let's change light bulbs. Let's paint the office. And I'm going to talk about that in a minute. Let's do all the things. So when we open back up, all of those projects we never get to, we're done. Let's do equipment maintenance, right? The things that aren't working well, it's a good time to get them fixed. For the front office team, when we open back up, let's look at accounts receivable. You may or may not be able to get through to a lot of insurances right now, or it might not be as efficient, but we have a huge AR report if you're a typical dental office. Let's break into every one of the accounts and figure out where the balances are coming from. Let's be clear about them. Maybe you decide not to send bills to patients. Maybe you do. I'm not saying whether that's up to you or not. But the better we are at knowing where the balances are coming from, the better we're going to be able to collect that in the second half of the year. Also, look for ways right now that you can clean up accounts receivable. Like when there's been messes in the past, how can we make sure going forward that we don't have those same messes? Fixing insurance, fixing percentage estimating, updating the insurance groups, all of that kind of stuff. Also, software updates. Get with IT companies and get the updates. There's a lot of offices who aren't running on the most recent version of Microsoft. There's a lot of offices who can't remote in. Let's figure out how to remote in. Like, let's look at the software updates that we can be doing that typically we would have to shut down to do.